Yes, we can. We could. We are not doing it right now for debugging purposes, but we could use a master device in the bus and read and write directly to the memory. Any memory location we are thinking of. Is that your question?
No, I'm asking, so the CPU writing to the Xilinx chip, you couldn't create a register on the Xilinx chip that was writable?
Oh, okay, yes. This would be possible. So you say the hardware, an offset address, and then, yeah, that's no problem.
Is there a specific application or set of applications you're targeting with this that you expect to run significantly faster with the hardware assist?
Currently, I was more looking for the Designflow stuff and integrate it into the LLVM. And what I'm looking at, of course, is some computationally intensive workloads with that much memory usage. So data streaming application, but nothing special. So I've been working on an example using an AIS encryption, and it creates the AIS algorithm is made to be implemented efficiently in hardware and in software. So I think it's a pretty nice target to test, and it also creates, the LLVM creates some nice large blocks which have some intrinsic parallelism to be exploited. So, yeah.
It seems like the sort of thing that people usually target encryption or video compression, sort of thing.
Yeah, they are nice targets.
We probably have time for one more question.
Well, so you said you can't do like sequential code, so you can't handle loops on the FPGA?
Yes. So currently we can't handle loops on the FPGA, but we have a hardware backend which can implement whole functions. But to get it running, we first dumbed it down only to basic blocks. So if you're using this stuff with these for the basic block with the shift registers, yeah, and there's just like in strobe running through the shift register. And if you're doing a loop, you just have to feed the strobe back into this element or to another basic block element. So in this architecture, it's not a problem to implement a loop in the hardware.
Right. So it's like feature work, it's just not done.
Yes. And you could even use the hardware, for example, to do it pipelining. Because if you put multiple strobes into it, it could do much more computational, but the whole framework isn't into pipelining, so it's just an idea.
Well, you guys can talk about it.
Thanks.